Now we want to turn to the latest on the coronavirus. We're following two close calls on college campuses here in Connecticut.
Channel 3 New Haven Bureau Chief Matt McFarland is live right now with the mobile newsroom. He's in the Elm City with more details for us this afternoon. Hi, Matt.
Hi there, Mark and Aaron. Well, as you said, two cases that are being monitored here in Connecticut. One here at Yale, a high schooler that was here for a conference over the weekend. The other, a student at Wesleyan. We're told both were in China, both showing flu-like symptoms here. Now, according to Yale, the high school student from China was taking part in a Model United Nations conference here over the weekend when that student came down with a cough and a fever. We're told the student was taken to Yale New Haven Hospital and tested positive for the flu. That student was released from the hospital and is in good condition, but is being isolated and being monitored. Now, just as a precaution, the Centers for Disease Control is testing the student samples for the coronavirus, and the results are expected sometime tomorrow or Wednesday. Now, up in Middletown, Wesleyan says over the weekend a student who had traveled through an airport in Asia tested negative for the coronavirus. We're told that student tested positive for the flu and that they're doing well. Now, the coronavirus, a respiratory illness, was first detected in China, and it contains flu-like symptoms including fever, cough, congestion. In the more severe cases, there can be shortness of breath, which could lead to pneumonia or even death. And while the threat of the coronavirus here in Connecticut remains very low, many are not taking chances. In fact, in New Haven, the city took part in a conference call with the Department of Health over the weekend, saying they would be ready if it makes its way here.
There's a number of procedures in place to make sure that we're monitoring where that person has been and who that person may have been in contact with, so that we ensure that we communicate with other people that potentially were in that location, that they might have been exposed. We would work with local health providers to ensure that we're identifying other new people that might come down with the virus. But again, that scenario is, we're not facing that scenario right now.
Again, right here in Connecticut, the bigger worry is that it's the flu season. Talking about nearly 800 hospitalizations and 20 deaths for the flu. So they're asking folks just to be vigilant. Again, wash your hands, cover your cough, your sneeze, and if you are sick, try to limit your contact with other folks. We're live with the mobile newsroom in New Haven. Matt McFarland, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.